Ever dreamed of ditching your laptop and coding directly from your phone? Today, we're diving into the fascinating, albeit challenging, world of installing Linux Mint on your mobile device. First, let's be clear, directly installing Linux Mint as your phone's primary operating system isn't typically feasible. Android's core system differs significantly, making a straightforward replacement extremely difficult. However, there are workarounds. Virtualization is the most common. Apps like Termux, Anbox, or specialized virtualization applications can create a contained Linux environment within Android. Search your app store for virtualization tools. Keep in mind, performance will be limited by your phone's processor and RAM. A full desktop environment might feel sluggish. Touchscreen controls can also be awkward, so consider using a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Another approach is using remote access tools. Install Linux Mint on a PC, then use apps like SSH clients or VNC viewers on your phone to remotely control that Linux machine. This leverages your phone's portability with the power of a full desktop. While running Linux Mint directly on your phone has limitations, these methods allow you to develop and deploy applications, access Linux command line tools, and experiment with the Linux environment, all from the palm of your hand. Good luck!